Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my lovely and dear students. This is your teacher Hina Khan from prep class. I hope you all are fine at home and are revising all the previous topics and lessons of mathematics and all other subjects that I have taught you. Today the date is 3rd of September to 2020 and the day is Thursday and this is your maths lesson. So let's see which topic we have selected for today's lesson. So the topic that I have chosen for today's lesson, that is before, between and after. If you people remember that first we have done the topic that was about the numbers that comes before, then we discussed about the numbers that comes after, and in the previous lesson I have told you about the numbers that comes in between. And today we are going to revise all these three topics. In other words, we can say that we are going to do the reinforcement of before, between and after. It means that today we are going to discuss about the numbers that comes before, between and after. As you can see that here we have three numbers, 16, 17 and 18. So 16 is the number that comes before 17. 17 is the number that comes in between 16 and 18. And 18 is the number that comes after 17. Here you are going to choose the correct option. Look at the first box. There is number 13, then there is a blank line, and then 15. What comes in between 13 and 15? Which is that number that comes after 13 and 15? And your options are 14, 17 and 11. And the correct option is 14. 14 comes in between 13 and 15. Look at the second picture. There's number 16 and 17. And which number comes after 16 and 17? What comes after 17? Is it 19, 18 or 15? Very good. And the answer is 18. Right. Let's move to the next picture or the next number. Okay, there is a missing line, then 16 and 17. So which is that number which comes before 16? Is that 14, 15 or 12? Think about it and then give me the answer. Very good. That number is 15. So 15 will come before 16 and then 17. In the same way, there is number 0, then blank line, and number 2. Which is that number which comes in between 0 and 2? It's quite obvious, and the answer is 1. In the same way, there is a bird, as you can see that in this box, there's number 16 and then there's a blank line and number 18. So which is that number that comes in between 16 and 18? That is number 17. Very good. So in this way, you will solve all these numbers, or you are going to choose the correct options and put it in the blank lines. Okay, now we are going to guess that which are those numbers that are going to come before, between and after the other numbers. As you can see that there's number 25 and the blank box is there, and then there's number 27. So which is that number which comes in between 25 and 27? That is number 26. Good. Like 25, 26 and then 27. In the same way, there is a blank box, then number 11, then blank box. So which is the number which is going to come before 11 and after 11? I know that you know the answer. And number 10 will come before 11 and number 12 will come after 11. In the same way, there is number 25, and which is that number which is going to come before 25? That is 24. Then there is number 3 And which is that number which is going to come after 3? Number 4 will come. Very good. Once again, which is that number which is going to come between number 20 and number 22? And that is number 21. That's good. Now let's see that are we right or not. Good. Yes, our all answers are 100% correct. And this is your written task for today. Now you are going to write the number that comes before, after and between the given numbers on your sheet, paper or any kind of notebook that you have at home. Like they are number 14, blank line 16, 18, blank line and 20, 22, blank line and 24. Which are those numbers which will come in between these two numbers? Then number 4, blank line 8, 9 and 10, which is that number which will come before 8. In the same way, there is option 5 and 6, which are those numbers which will come before 31 and then 21. So you have to complete this work, and after completing that you are supposed to write your name, class and section at the top of the page, and then submit your work by 9 p.m. I'll be here again with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself and your family members as well. Allah Hafiz.